Hello, it's me Daniela and we're currently at the bike ride marathon at Putrajaya 2012, and of course right behind me, as you can see, are all the bikers lining up, and we've got a special dance performance by the Tourism Ministry of Malaysia, and of course it was launched by none other than Datuk Sri Ng Yen Yen. So if you stay with me, the marathon is right about to start, so check this out.
Three, two,
A very good morning to you. How was the race actually?
Wonderful, wonderful. It's such an exciting morning with almost 4,000 participants, all cycling. I mean, there were the very good ones and the leisurely ones. And so happy. Everybody is so happy and relaxed.
So what's the idea behind this initiative?
This is very much Malaysia's the Ministry and Tourism Malaysia's effort to develop new tourism products through creativity and innovation. Yeah? And it is a product that we want to use where we don't have to cut any trees. It doesn't pollute the air. And everybody can come together, and it's also healthy. Therefore, we developed Malaysia's bike ride tourism. This bicycle ride will allow tourists to see Malaysia through another lens. Yeah? Through a lens, because cycling is slower. When you cycle, you look around yourself, you feel the fresh air in your face. So that's so you really enjoy slowly things around. We want to have more people from urban area to cycle into the rural areas, specifically to visit all of those homestays. Yeah, cycle to homestay to a village, put your bicycle there, have your lunch, have your tea, and come back. So these are the various reasons. We started 1 year ago on December 17, right here at the administrative capital of Malaysia. And within 1 year, whoa, it's gone up. It's been so successful.
And that was it for the Bike Ride Marathon 2012 at Putrajaya. And as you can see from behind me, we've got the bikers coming back from their race, and it's been 2 hours, and I hope you've had fun watching the clips. Thank you so much again to the Ministry of Tourism Malaysia, Datuk Sri Dr. Ng Yen Yen, for joining us and also for launching the event. My name is Daniela, and I'll see you next time on Truly Asia TV.